as he's gonna burp the alphabet, and you're gonna watch it. If you hate having gross things, then get out of here and run for cover. It's about to get ugly. Literally. I said P. And he added a fart in there. I want to ask Sean, but hopefully he'll go next time. We're